Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Dailymotion app. We click on settings. Here in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about the application of Dailymotion and you will enter here daily, like this, Dailymotion. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Dailymotion as you see and you will enter. If you find the update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.